Welcome back, truck hunters. MHC Kenworth Denver here, showcasing our 2009 W900. This truck is equipped with the Cummins ISX 550 horsepower. You can see tri-axle 12K pusher, 40 in the rears, 12 in the front. Beautiful truck, 62-inch sleeper, diamond interior, toolbox in the back, all aluminum wheels, original tires. I mean, these things are beautiful. This truck in particular is stock number 342086. We're just doing the walk around, show you this beautiful thing. So here we are. Tires definitely in great shape. Hey, I'd be saying anywhere from 8 to 10, 30 seconds, if not more. Brakes looking pretty good as well. Nice and healthy. Got the heavy duty AG 400 8-bag suspension. And again, hey, these trucks are just beautiful. So let's check out the interior real quick. And we've got multiple units of these. This one in particular has miles at about 755, let's just call it. But again, beautiful leather interiors, diamond interior, Kenworth's top of the line. Nice 62-inch bunk sleeper. Plenty of storage. Beautiful trucks. Full gauge package. 18 speed. Gotta love it. So if you're looking for a truck like this, or you know anybody who is, have them call MHC Kenworth Denver at 720-941-0833, and we'll have yours ready for you. Till next time, thanks for watching.